Okay, Mitsubishi, where has this been? Because the new 2027 Pajero honestly looks like Mitsubishi finally remembered how to make SUVs feel tough, modern, and exciting again. And then the crazy part is this thing just looks rugged, it looks expensive. The old Pajero already had legendary status in a lot of countries because of its durability, off-road capability, and reputation for lasting forever. But this new one? It feels like Mitsubishi is trying to bring the Pajero back as a serious global SUV again. And honestly, they might have nailed it. Just look at the front end. That massive grille, the sharp vertical lighting, the squared off body, the aggressive stance. This thing has real road presence now. It almost feels like a mix between a Land Cruiser, Defender, and modern luxury SUV all blended together. But unlike some SUVs that look aggressive just for Instagram photos, the Pajero still feels functional. You can tell this thing was designed to actually handle rough roads, bad weather, long trips, and real-world driving. And honestly, that's probably why people still love the Pajero name so much. This SUV has always been about toughness first. From the side, the proportions look super clean too. The tall roofline, chunky wheel arches, black roof accents, and upright body shape make the SUV feel big without looking oversized. It looks modern, but still very traditional SUV at the same time. Then around the back, Mitsubishi completely transformed the design. The new LED taillights look way more premium. The rear styling is cleaner, and the giant Pajero lettering across the tailgate gives it that expensive flagship SUV look. At night, this thing is probably going to look incredible on the road. Now, inside is where the biggest upgrades are expected to happen. Larger infotainment screens, digital gauges, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium materials, panoramic roof options, improved driver assistance systems, and a much quieter cabin overall. Because, let's be honest, older Pajeros were tough, but luxury wasn't exactly their strongest area. This new one finally looks like it could compete with modern premium SUVs while still keeping the rugged personality people actually want. And under the hood, Mitsubishi is expected to focus heavily on reliability, off-road capability, fuel efficiency, and long-distance comfort instead of trying to turn the Pajero into some super high-performance SUV. Which honestly makes sense. The Pajero isn't supposed to be flashy. It's supposed to be dependable. The kind of SUV that can survive road trips, mountains, rainstorms, bad roads, camping trips, family duty. Basically, everything you throw at it. And honestly, the 2027 Pajero looks like Mitsubishi might finally have a real comeback vehicle.